Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that when you're just going to the normally using your Facebook and just like that, I'm going to normally using my Facebook and I want to like that video and I want to just sending the friend request to that person. So in some cases, it's not sending the issue and they're saying that you cannot use this feature right now. I gonna take a screenshot just like that when you facing the issue when you just send the friend request to anyone and if you face issue is that you cannot use this feature right now. So how you can resolve the issue in your Facebook? Just simply just follow all the steps I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the three lines and just going to the settings and just scroll it down and you see the option of a help and support. Just tap on that and you see the option of a report a problem. Just tap on that and just continue to the report include and you may facing issue in the front guest in the login issue in the marketplace where you can face the issue just have to just tap on that. So I'm gonna face issue in the login, so I'm gonna go into the login section and here you just have to just upload the screenshot where you can facing just like that. I'm gonna go facing the login issue and also I'm facing the friend request, so I'm gonna upload the screenshot from that, just going to the profile and just going to the allow access and just upload the screenshot just like that and just going to the write the details or I all the things I'm gonna face on during that process and during that function I'm gonna send the friend request to the person and it's not accepting and I'm getting that error. So kindly resolve my issue. Just simply type on that and just simply send it. So that's the settings you have to make sure and that's the way you have to just resolve the problem you're facing in your Facebook. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.